Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek Ïakhih kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka khatlai tarik uluber ki Samla Pule Doctor jong ka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Shillong kila pelong ya ka Jingshong kalan mengor ha plau jong ka college ringkat ki plakat ki bala dawai ki mat Jingdawa jong ki kham tam ha ka ban penbiang ya ki kali ban ket ki Samla namar kumba kalong menta ki Samla Pule ki dan hadu arspa ngot baro kat ba ki boss part ki dan tang artli ki balej bo le shaw ya ki man la kasngi ki weide ki mat Jingdawa ki kentop ya ka hostel sarkar ka Jingshong sngan jong ki Samla kan thai ki basong ha ki hostel jong ki riushment nang ta ban ai subsidy ya ka bai hostel kat ba ka ni ka jaka Pule kam pala ban penbiang ya ki hostel jong ka ha ka ni ka Ïakhih ki ni ki Samla na kalyang ki no hikai kila persang ban penjaja ya ka ni ki Ïakhih jong ki handai namar bo director jong ka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Shillong umdan ha ka ni ka nong ba Shillong handai na kalyang ki Samla Pule kila kan taj ban rong sa class bar kila ongru bakin betangi ka Ïakhih hadu bakin dayo iki mat Jingdawa jong ki
क्या कर रहे हो तुम? ये ठीक लग रहा है। क्लास नहीं कर रहे हो। किसका लॉस हो रहा है? क्लास नहीं कर रहे हो तो? कोई फायदा नहीं है।
We have no assurance करेगा। बट घर में रॉबरी हो गया तो पापा काम छोड़
अभी मम्मी है तो तुम मम्मी के साथ बात करो। तुम घर में एजुकेशन नहीं है।
हमने क्लास में से
We need only professional college needed professional.
अभी उन्होंने क्या 6,000 दे रहा है ना कोई भी गवर्नमेंट
But you know they have said that they don't provide any hostel facility, but we have been given hostel by them, private sector hostel, 4,000 per month. But after 10 months, they have said that you have to pay 2,000 extra. That equal to 30,000. Otherwise, you can appear in the exam. So you have to pay the fee. And this year also there is no hostel, and there is only 2 bus, and there are 200 students. And in such a hilly area, we have to travel such a long distance in just 2 bus, and 200 students used to come in 2 bus. And our demand is that we need government hostel. At least they are saying that the construction is going on. But since 1.5 years, there has been no any construction. Not even a single stone has been given in there. So
yes sir, we are facing so much of problem.
So our demand is that they have to give us government subsidy that the every central institute is to get till the completion of the hostel, or they have to give us our government accommodation rate hostel or the subsidy. So we need subsidy, and if they can't give the subsidy, then they have to give us the government hostel till the completion. And we need more bus in accordance with the students. And in the girls hostel also, there has been no any security.
We are living outside there is no government administration. We are staying in private hostel, and the teachers and our administration, there is no responsibility on the administration and our director. They just boycott that I can't take your care of yours. We are not related with the hostel. They are saying like that. But we are students of the Neiah. They should take care of us. But they are just boycotting. At the Sunday night, there is robbery. Okay, and the director won't come. The director is not in the city. But no teacher, no dean, no administration came at the hostel to just talk to the girls. We are very scared. We are not slept at the night. Next day we are having rival. We won't study. We are just scared that anything can happen with us. But there is no any satisfactory answer with the administration or Neiah that we are standing with you. You are living in private hostel, but still we are with you. There is nothing. Still we are paying 6,000 in the hostel. Only hostel. We are transportation 4,000. Before it was 4,000. Now it is 6,000. Day by day it is increasing. With hostels right now, but they can provide subsidy now. Our parents can't afford. We compete for the government colleges now. Why should we pay that much of amount? We don't know why we have to pay that much of amount. We are living in we are studying in government college. We are in private college. Yeah. So we are in under central government, but we are paying lots of money. Why so?